everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Bigo Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on Video. Scroll down a bit and tap on Post. Now select the video that you want to upload. Tap on Done once you are satisfied with the video that you have chosen. Now you can type in the caption of your choice. Tap on Post at the top right of your screen once you are done typing in your caption. And that's it. This is how you upload a video on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.